Hello, green thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for everything beautiful outside the home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever dreamed of bringing the sun-drenched, romance-infused charm of the European coast right into your own backyard? That is exactly what a Mediterranean flower garden is all about. At its core, a Mediterranean flower garden is a landscape style inspired by the coastal regions of Spain, Italy, Greece, and southern France. It harmoniously blends structured, formal architectural elements with relaxed, drought-tolerant planting. Rather than relying on lush, high-maintenance green lawns, this design embraces warm-toned stone, gravel pathways, terracotta containers, and intensely fragrant, sun-loving blooms. It is a structured yet effortlessly romantic space designed to celebrate outdoor living, natural warmth, and a slower, more intentional pace of life. One of the greatest advantages of establishing a Mediterranean flower garden is its incredible environmental resilience and low-maintenance nature. Because these landscapes rely heavily on drought-tolerant perennials, native ornamental grasses, and gravel mulch, they require significantly less water than a traditional green lawn once established. This makes them highly sustainable and cost-effective, especially in regions prone to hot, dry summers. Beyond utility, these gardens offer an unmatched sensory experience. The combination of aromatic herbs like lavender and rosemary, paired with the soothing sound of stone fountains and the visual warmth of earthy tiles, creates a therapeutic, resort-like sanctuary. It is an investment that boosts your property's curb appeal, while providing a private, low-stress outdoor haven that thrives with minimal intervention. Decorating a Mediterranean garden to look beautiful requires finding the perfect balance between rustic hardscaping and vibrant, cascading plants. Start by laying down a structural foundation using warm, earth-tone materials such as gravel, cobblestone, or brick pavers to establish winding walkways and cozy seating courtyards. To elevate the visual interest, integrate classic architectural focal points like weathered stone water fountains, whitewashed stucco walls, or open timber pergolas draped in climbing vines. Container gardening is another vital styling technique. Strategically place oversized terracotta pots or aged concrete urns bursting with bright blooms along steps, patios, and border edges. Finally, complement your vibrant flower beds with warm outdoor lighting, iron lanterns, and comfortable wrought iron seating to transform your space into an elegant, inviting outdoor living room. To capture the authentic coastal aesthetic, your plant palette should focus on sun-loving varieties that feature silver-green foliage, structured forms, and bursts of rich color. Deep purple English lavender, aromatic rosemary, and dynamic salvia varieties are essential choices that provide both structure and intoxicating fragrance. For bold, dramatic color, incorporate climbing bougainvillea, vibrant geraniums, or striking red lilies alongside classic perennials like echinacea and bright marigolds. To introduce crucial height, texture, and architectural contrast, intersperse structural agave, spiky succulents, and swaying ornamental grasses among your blooms. Completing the look with drought-resistant statement trees, such as a gnarly olive tree or slender, upright Italian cypresses, will effortlessly tie the entire coastal landscape together. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best Mediterranean flower garden ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. One. Old World Stucco Courtyard with Cozy Fireplace. This idea features a breathtaking white stucco courtyard that perfectly captures the essence of luxury Mediterranean living. A majestic, rustic white outdoor fireplace serves as the central focal point, surrounded by a herringbone brick patio and elegant gray seating. The space is beautifully bordered by lush, vibrant red geraniums and meticulously sculpted, multi-tiered topiary trees in classic square planters. 2. vibrant cottage pathway with stone water fountain. In this idea, a charming paver walkway leads you through a dense, colorful display of Mediterranean-inspired blooms. This lively arrangement features mounds of golden orange marigolds, deep purple petunias, and striking red bushes. A rustic metal milk can water fountain adds a soothing auditory element, while a wooden trellis structure sits gracefully in the background against a classic white picket fence. 3. Dry gravel riverbed with agave and ornamental grasses. This idea highlights an eco-friendly xeriscape design that masterfully utilizes natural textures. A winding dry riverbed crafted from smooth river rocks flows elegantly past a massive structural agave plant. The surrounding landscape is filled with low-growing yellow-flowering ground covers, silvery green shrubs, and tufts of golden ornamental grasses, all set against a beautiful natural stone retaining wall. 4. Vibrant floral border with classical urn focal point. This idea showcases a stunningly layered garden border set against a warm cream-colored building facade with dark framed windows. Bold, fiery red lilies stand tall next to a large, weathered stone urn filled with architectural grasses. The foreground comes alive with contrasting textures, including dense mounds of bright purple lavender, soft green shrubs, and delicate orange wildflowers. 5. Flagstone path through a lush perennial paradise. In this idea, a whimsical path made of rustic pink flagstones winds gently through an exceptionally lush and dense flower bed. This vibrant, naturalistic planting includes tall, colorful lupins, orange geum flowers, soft green lady's mantle, and deep red barberry shrubs. The entire scene is beautifully framed by large accent boulders and a soft blue-green evergreen tree in the background. 6. Sidewalk xeriscape with lavender and cone flowers. This idea demonstrates incredible curb appeal with a drought-tolerant sidewalk garden bed packed with color. Waving masses of purple lavender and delicate orange hyssop blend seamlessly into a dramatic central planting of pink cone flowers, echinacea. This low-maintenance setup thrives in full sun, proving that street-side planting can be both eco-friendly and visually stunning. 7. Tiered stone oasis with waterfall and outdoor fireplace. This idea reveals a multi-leveled, luxurious backyard retreat complete with a stone-clad outdoor fireplace and a flowing rock waterfall feature. Winding brick paths wrap around a small manicured green lawn, bordered by dense layers of colorful caladiums, bright pink petunias, and white hydrangeas. This layered approach creates an incredibly rich, private sanctuary feel. 8. Classical English rose garden with stone bird bath. In this idea, a structured circular flagstone path encircles a traditional stone birdbath focal point. The surrounding garden beds are filled with lush, repeating rose bushes in shades of vibrant pink, soft white, and cheerful yellow. A simple wooden pergola bench rests under the shade of mature trees in the background, offering a serene spot for quiet reflection. 9. Terrace stone wall with olive tree and lavender. This idea features a beautifully elevated stone retaining wall that frames a classic coastal planting combination. A beautiful twisted olive tree acts as the anchor, surrounded by an abundance of fragrant purple lavender and cheerful purple African daisies. The soft, silvery tones of the foliage contrast elegantly against a clean modern gray wooden fence. 10. Modern desert raised beds with agave and steel planters. This idea offers a sleek, modern take on arid Mediterranean landscaping, using clean-lined, rusted steel raised planters. These architectural beds are filled with sharp green agave plants and dark river rocks. The seating area features minimalist metal chairs on a gravel patio, surrounded by tall, airy yellow desert flowering trees under a bright blue sky. Designing a Mediterranean flower garden allows you to create a space that is as sustainable as it is beautiful. By combining drought-resistant plants, rich natural stone textures, and comfortable seating areas, you can transform any ordinary backyard into an enchanting sun-soaked European escape. Whether you have a sprawling multi-tiered yard or a cozy patio corner, these design elements bring timeless elegance and a relaxed vacation vibe right to your doorstep. If you love these beautiful garden ideas, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more inspiring landscape tips. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Which of these top 10 ideas was your absolute favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And we will see you in the next video.